मीडिया में ऐसा क्या है, मीडिया एक्चुअली मीडिया नहीं, द कंटेंट क्रिएशन, ऐसा क्या है जो वीसी इन्वेस्टेबल बन सके? आई एम एक्चुअली आस्किंग इट फॉर माई सेल्फ।
देखो, VCs who go in will want a 10, 20, 30x return
करेक्ट,
in 7, 8 years,
राइट।
right? So, एक तो business इतना बड़ा has potential to become big. Number one. Number two, it has there should be an exit possibility.
ओके,
Exit means IPO जाए
Hmm.
या somebody buys out
राइट।
at 30x of the valuation I went in at. Now, without those two possibilities, it is less VC investable.
राइट।
Unless I'm strategically interested in a content business, मेरी कोई content company है, this is becomes big, I'll pull them in, right? You know, so those are the conditions there.
हाउ डू यू सी सोशल मीडिया टुडे इन द एंटायर?
Yeah, it has exploded,
ओके।
but it's fragmented. ठीक है, so as an aggregate, it's become very big. Individually, there are a few platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram that are huge,
करेक्ट,
but each content creator may or may not be huge.
यस, ओके।
कि
कैन
देखो,
देयर
हिंदुस्तान में right now समय runner on the rage,
राइट,
but these things run in cycles and phases.
यस,
Uh, who knows? He might not be the rage 5 years from now. I'm hoping he is for his sake. But and 5 years ago he wasn't the rage.
यस,
तो लोग आते हैं जाते हैं. Ankur Warikoo was the rage,
यस,
but I would put Samir Rana right now. तो ये ups and downs होते हैं. It's a bit like the movies business, right?
या,
आज कोई एक्टर ऊपर है, कल कोई और होगा. Very few have lasted 20, 30, 40 years
करेक्ट,
at the top.
यस,
Unlike Shahrukh or Salman or Akshay, a few like that, Amir, have done that. But otherwise, film stars come and go.
डू यू
8-10
सी,
साल, they stay at the top.
हाँ, डू यू सी सम वैल्यू इफ समवन क्रिएट्स समथिंग लाइक धर्मा, start creating IPs for creators?
Yeah, it's possible. See, but then you got to have a business plan that does that. Which basically, see, चक्कर क्या होता है ना? If I am a content creator or a film star,
हाँ जी,
then boss, I am into projecting myself.
हाँ,
Then will I allow 10 other film stars or 10 other content creators to flourish as much or perhaps even more than me on my platform? So there's an inherent conflict between owning a platform and being a content creator yourself, because आपकी खुद की आवाज आती है,
हाँ,
आपके खुद के पर्सनल एस्पिरेशन आ जाते हैं. I will not ever encourage a content creator bigger than me on my platform. So either you become that person that who's able to distance himself. मैं अपना करूंगा, but औरों को भी करने को दूंगा मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
हाँ, मेक सेंस।
See, at the end of the day, can any news anchor become bigger than Arnab on
No.
Republic TV?
नो, नो,
So media owner or media star
cannot be the creator himself.
should be actually two different people.
Yes.
Ideally, you've got to be a very, very mature, objective person to, as a media star, to also be a media owner,
Yes.
and then build that platform out to have 20 other people like you, of whom 5 are bigger than you.
But if you do that, then
Then you can build a corporation.
okay, makes sense.
तो अगर आपको करना है तो आपको बड़प्पन दिखानी होगी.
हाँ. Coming to Zomato, sir. This is 2008, 9, 10 you invested?
2010.
10 till 13.
नहीं,
आपने
अभी तक तो है ना नेक्स्ट ये still does.
2010 से 13 तक आप पैसा डालते गए?
नहीं, उससे ज़्यादा, उसके आगे ही जानते गए.
अच्छा. And you invested when you invested in 2010. तब क्या प्लान था? तब तो मतलब Zomato was,
You're doing 1 lakh a month.
you did not even know कि ये डिलीवरी में जाएंगे या नहीं जाएंगे.
Yes, अगर if you're doing delivery, you would not have invested. Because उस समय हमारा आइडिया था कि we want to invest in a high gross margin information arbitrage business and not a.
Just like yourself.
हाँ. तो बाद में जाके they did delivery
And it became big.
and it became really big.